Want to supercharge your Pega applications with efficient data management? Let's dive into data pages. Data pages in Pega are your secret weapon for caching and retrieving data efficiently, reducing database queries, and boosting performance. Here's a quick rundown. First, determine the structure. Is it a single item or a list? Next, set the object type. This identifies the data by specifying the object's class. Then, choose the edit mode. Read only, no updates except from the source. Editable, allows changes to the content. Savable, enables saving changes back to the data source. Finally, define the scope. Thread, for a single case. Requester, accessible across all cases by a user. Node, shared across multiple users. Here is the diagrammatic representation of data page creation. Let's dive into the different scopes of data pages in Pega with examples to make it crystal clear. Thread scope. A data page is created for a single thread, such as a specific user session or case. It's visible only to the current thread and is discarded with the thread. Example: imagine you are processing a customer service request. You use a data page to retrieve customer details specific to that request. Once the request is processed and closed, the data page is discarded. For example, D_customer details, customer ID, with a scope of thread retrieves customer details for the current case only. Requester scope. A data page is created for a single requester, typically a user session. It's visible to all threads of the requester and is discarded when the user logs out. Example: consider user preferences and settings that need to be accessible throughout a user session. A data page with the scope requester, such as D_user preferences, stores these settings. This data page is available to any thread, e.g., multiple tasks or actions, initiated by the user during the session. Node scope. A data page is created once per node, server, and shared across all requesters on that node. It's visible to all requesters on the node and can be manually or automatically refreshed. Example: for instance, caching country codes and names that are frequently used across the application. A data page with the scope node, such as D_country list, ensures that all users on the same server can access this data without repeatedly querying the database. By setting up your data pages correctly, you ensure your Pega application runs smoothly and efficiently. Thanks for watching. For more Pega insights, stay tuned and subscribe to Tech Tutors.